Right, that headlamp's okay. That headlamp is right yellow, very yellow, so I'm going to try and clean it. This is the stuff I'm going to use. Some very old 1970s Perspex cleaner, polish number 1. Just rub it on and see what happens. So what I'm doing is cleaning the top off, just to see if it makes any difference. I'll be able to see the difference hopefully. And I'll do the bottom half afterwards. You can see the difference already. I've just put another layer on. I'm just going to polish it off dry. Not just doing it dry. No water. No liquid. This is just the top off. Just to see the difference. Oh, look at that, straight away, look at the difference. Alright, that's the top half done. Just got to do the bottom half next. That's it, it's come up like new. It's got rid of all that yellow. In fact, the other light, headlight, which is pretty good, I'll do that as well. Okay.